Welcome. Today I'm with JBL Reflect Contour 2 wireless headphones, and I will show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So at the first, you have to go for the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and next you have to simply grab your headphones and just take a look right here on this button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator turns on. So let's make it right now. Click and hold power button. Right now they are power on, so we can remove this button. As you can see, the indicator is blinking on the green, on the blue and the red. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So right now they will pop on the list. We have to select our JBL headphones. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.